Yes, welcome back to another video. It is Sunday. Today we are going to go and play airsoft at Dirty Dog Airsoft at Shildon in County Durham. Never been before, never done it before, never been paintballing, never done anything like this. So fingers crossed this is going to be a good video.
That black van back there, right? If you stand here, you know, literally where that fence is there,
right
on the other side of it though.
You put your hand up, walk up, touch the van and come back in.
Right.
Shout hit though, but you'll probably still get fucking twatted by loads of them. Because it doesn't matter if you've got your hand up or not.
So what we're doing, defending this?
Aye, defending that, aye.
So where they're coming from?
These two left, your left and your right here.
Right.
So from that left there, from your right here, and then all the way along to your left back.
Hit. I can't even see anybody, mate. Didn't even see one person. Oh.
Bands go down as well, or?
Yeah, I think you have to move it.
We've got a cut to that. No, I wish you just said.
We're starting here. We're doing everything in reverse. Basically.
Whoa, steady.
Shut up!
Can I get grip?
Half-born. 4 back in here.
4, 5. How many's in here?
5 of us.
Last 5 of us in here! We're just spawn now.
Just spawn now. Shit. I'm fucked for that.
Yeah?
Top of the hill. I haven't got that range. Yeah? I have not got that range. This is your spawn.
You can't fire out of it now,
Oh,
so
yeah,
you're going to be
yeah,
out of it, yeah. Okay?
Yeah, no bother.
And now it's on spawn as well.
Left hand side of the hill. Top of the hill, left hand side.
Ah, I saw them alright.
We've got a bomb now. Is that not friendly? Shoot now. We're shooting off the boot back.
So you can make it leave behind.
There's a doubt, wonder if this is a case of green bit confused or something. Literally. Either way, it's like fucking up.
Another one on the top of the hill on the left. Sliding all.
Straight up.
Cover us too? Huh? Cover us a minute.
Go on, mate.
Cheers.
One sec. You okay?
We'll get there one way or another. Hit!
Good.
Damn it!
Oh well, we can do it that. You've got to go up there. It's going to be the easiest way. Is it easier to get up that way?
No.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is the easiest way. Oh. Did you get shot in the Right, here we go.
Oh. Well, he's down. What?
Are you hit?
No. Just looking the shit out of me here. Like, what's the point? I'm standing in the spawn place. You want to stick my head as well.
Didn't you make it very far?
No. Up the hill, watching that way. Okay?
Oh, steady.
There you are. Oh, put the stuff. Good lads.
Watch the top of the hill.
Over here.
That was pretty good. Got shot in the fucking hand though.
Like rifles and stuff, I was like, oh yeah.
You weren't the first person to use it, get it right.
Oh yeah, fucking bought it. Never even got a chance to shoot it. First game, he's like, where's your deagle? And just fucked off with it. I come back after the game and he's like, oh yeah, by the way, I'm sorry. Dropped it straight.
We had
fucking
MG then, I know the one of us.
fucking mud all over it. I was like, why?
Yeah, one of the best.
I'm still questioning myself and why I brought this. I'm also questioning you. I don't know. Yeah. Because the other one was
Ozzy's peeking at the top, the little bastard.
How quick did he pop up?
Oh! It's about 4 minutes!
Come on, the only way you're going to win is to push. Keep going. Come on, guys. Push up.
Fall forward, Owen.
Breathe in.
Loose. Loose, loose. Get down.
Make sure that door there hits high, because
Yeah, that's it.
oh, keep moving, lads. We've got bar room. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on. Standing here, just going to get us off field.
Spawn points.
till the grenade goes off in the outside.
He's in it, back.
Just one guy.
Yeah, one guy.
One guy just walked past there, mate.
No, that's not him, that's him. He's on the actual stairs, he was in the container.
Someone down the bottom right behind that container on the floor.
Literally on there.
I'll tell you what, you take your fucking hit and I'll take mine. How about that? You can stand there, shoot me all day, but if you're not going to put your fucking hand up, it's not fair, is it? What a fucking dickhead.
This is my sword. What? Okay. I want back.
Yeah, that's fine, I think. You did take to get the gun stick. I hit him a couple of times and he kept shooting me. I said, well, we can do this all here if you want to. I'll hit you, you hit me, put your fucking arms.
Push, guys. Make the push.
Yeah,
Watch
well,
it pass, it will not be.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, you all need to push. 10 minutes. There's 2 on the left hand side and 3 on the right. There's one on the bottom stairs on the left.
You're right.
You need to run, push. The problem is, mate, they're not taking the hits, so it doesn't matter how many times you shoot them, they're not putting hands up.
No.
I've just had an argument where a young man just shot me, I shot him. What young man arguing with you? Marshall.
Come on, guys. You need to push down. Come on, guys.
Go.
Push.
Go, Stephen.
Go on. Get yourself through. Push. Don't want you to get hit, but then you take them out. Come on. Keep going. Keep the momentum going. You'll move up. This is how I play. Come on, guys. Push it up. Don't stop. Get round that corner straight away. Don't hang about. Get round that corner. Hit. Come on, guys. Push. Don't stop. Keep pushing. Get round that corner.
Where's spawn over here?
No, it's up there, it's up there. It's up that windows.
Down.
I got him. I got him with a grenade. I got him on the left with a grenade. I'm nearly prime. They're fucking loud, these little fucking 2-2 pack blouse.
Cameron! Jim!